What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. Happy Monday. We're going to go over Bitcoin sitting at 36.9K, down 0.06 on the day. See, market cap 723 billion. 24-hour volume 14.4 billion. So let's hop into the charts. I still think it's likely we're going to push up in a higher high. Anything can happen. We have strong bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame, so do watch that. But it does look like just 3 waves up, so we could easily get one more higher high. If we roll over from here, it's very possible you can start to put in that wave 4. Confirmation would definitely be to come down and start to break this low. Like if you start to break that wave 4 low at 35818, that would be confirmation of potentially starting to roll over. But I do think there's a likelihood we could push up in one more higher high to about 39.1K. And basically push up into this resistance zone and then roll over. Oh, it won't be that deep. Roll over in the wave 4 pullback. There is a lot of support here at about 33.2 before continuation. Let's quickly look and see if we were to roll over from here, hypothetically. Let's see where that wave 4 pullback would land us. So we'll take a fib retracement from the bottom of the 2 up to the top of the 3. If we started to roll over here, yeah, so your pullback zone would be in between 35K and the max retracement would be 31.6. Where's that support? 33. Yeah, so 33K is right in the middle of that pullback zone. Strong support there at about around 33K. So do watch for that if we roll over from here, but I have a hunch that we could put in one more higher high. Taking a look at the DXY. You good? You gonna come in? You good? Okay, I'll do it in a sec. Let me finish the video here. Taking a look at the DXY, I still think it's likely we push up in that wave 5, which will give Bitcoin the chance to put in the correction. So do watch for that as well. If we break that bullish level of 106, then that's more confirmation, but I do think it's likely we continue to push up from here, which could lead to the correction for BTC. So my hunch is one more higher high, potentially to 39K. If we were to roll over here, then your target zone is in between 35K and 31.6. Usually it's going to land in between the 23.6 and the 38.2 in a wave 4. But as I mentioned, I do think we could put in one more higher high before seeing that roll over and then pushing up in that larger wave 5. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN. For my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange, my subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $100, $20 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only. My Discord is $10 a month, daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. We locked in our gains on Ethereum, 80% profit. Huge trade on Solana as well, over 100% profit. $10 a month, you really can't beat it. Crypto news, members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, they're absolutely killing it. Mahalo all plays, Forex signals, Forex analysis. We're looking to get into silver and gold for some massive trades. Crushed it on US oil, currently in USD CHF. So lots of trades available in Forex as well. All for $10 a month. Go check it out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.